Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Jamaica is taking a major step towards becoming a global logistics hub. The Port Authority of Jamaica has officially launched the first phase of the Caymanas Special Economic Zone. Phase 1, valued at $8 billion, is set to be developed over 4 years. With the Live, Work, Play design, the CSEZ is poised to drive economic diversification, boost exports, and unlock new opportunities in shipping, manufacturing, and technology-driven services.
To break ground and commence the construction of the Caymanas Special Economic Zone marks a defining moment in the continued transformation of Jamaica's economic landscape. It has long been the ambition of the country to put all the pieces together to launch a new engine of growth in logistics and shipping.
The project is expected to generate more than 400,000 jobs and attract billions in foreign investment and expand Jamaica's footprint in the global logistics market.
The government has taken the long route, but we're here. We're at the destination, and as someone who first articulated a vision, I'm very pleased that we're at this point where we're seeing it materialize.
To other news now, the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission says the industry is experiencing a shift driven primarily by technology. As a result, the age of players has also changed.
The young people will not walk into a betting shop like you used to have in the past, where some people used to go there and enjoy the whole day and it was fun and they were having a great time. The times have changed and we've seen that the young people are more involved in online gaming and so on. So it's a question of how we tackle that, how we look at controlling unlicensed companies offering the same services and products online.
This year, the Commission marks 50 years in operation.
Hope that we will certainly be around for another 50 years. But we certainly want to be in a position where we do not over-regulate and that we also develop the ecosystem and the environment where the operators can operate and make money, because the only way the government makes more money is if the operators make more money, because we only depend on fees and taxes from them.
The JSE index advanced by 1,881, while the junior market index advanced by 16 points. The winners were led by Cygnus Real Estate Finance Limited, US dollars, Pulse Investments, Radio Jamaica, Sterling Investments, US dollar shares, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. The losers were led by Blue Power Group, Jamaica Broilers Group, Express Catering, NCB Financial Group, and KLE Group, 17 stocks traded firm. And foreign currency trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.31. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.17. The pound is going for $216.18, while the euro is selling for an average $186.38. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.